How to change back to a personal account on Instagram. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to change back to a personal account on Instagram. First, open the Instagram application on your mobile device. Now, tap on the profile icon from the bottom right corner. Then tap on the three lines in the top right corner to open the menu. Next, scroll down and tap on Creator Tools and Controls. Now scroll down and tap on Switch Account Type. Here, tap on Switch to Personal Account. A confirmation will pop up. Tap on Switch to Personal Account again to confirm. After that, go back and refresh your profile. Then, tap the three lines again from the top right corner. Scroll down and tap on Account Type and Tools. Here, you will see that your account is now personal, and you will also have the option to switch to professional if needed. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.